Good afternoon. Welcome to today's Maryland Public Service Commission's pre-hearing conference in case number 9486. It's the application of the Washington Gas Light Company for approval of a new gas strategic infrastructure development and enhancement plan and an accompanying cost recovery mechanism. Why don't we begin by taking appearances, starting with staff counsel and moving down the table.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Annette Garofalo and Michael.
You need to pull it.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Annette Garofalo and Michael Dean on behalf of Commission staff.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman, Commissioners. Joseph Cleaver on behalf of the Maryland Office of People's Counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I am Fran G. Francis, appearing on behalf of the Apartment and Office Building Association of Metropolitan Washington. I would also like to enter the appearance of Etcetral K. Caldwell. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Robert Kane on behalf of WGL, Washington Gas Light Company.
Mr. Chairman, Commissioners, John Dodge appearing on behalf of Washington Gas, and I would also like to enter the appearance of our colleague Donald R. Hayes, Hayes.
Thank you. Those appearances are noted. Is there anybody else that would need to make an appearance today? Seeing none, we have one petition before us to intervene filed by the Apartment and Office Building Association of Metropolitan Washington. Is there any opposition to this petition?
No, Your
Seeing none, the petition is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Dodge, do you have an exhibit that you'd like to have admitted today?
I do, Your Honor. Pursuant to Order Number 88756, issued by the Commission on June 21st, 2018, the company has publicized the notice of this hearing in 4 different newspapers on 2 different dates, July 5th and July 12th, 2018, respectively. Also pursuant to the Commission's instruction, we noted the pre-hearing conference date and location on our website and through our social media channels. I would like to mark that as WGL1 and move its admission into the record, please.
Thank you. Without objection, Exhibit WGL1 is admitted. At this point, let's go over the procedural schedule. Staff counsel, can you provide us with the schedule that has been agreed upon?
Certainly. So the parties did agree on a schedule, and this included AOBA, where direct testimony would be filed on August 17th, rebuttal testimony by all parties on September 5th, surrebuttal testimony on September 16th, and hearings with live rejoinder September 17th, and hearings with live rejoinder by the company on September 21st and 20th, 21st, and then to the extent necessary, 24th, 25th, and 26th. Initial briefs would be filed October 23rd, with reply briefs filed November 2nd.
Thank you. Do any of the parties have any concerns with this schedule?
None, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Do any of the commissioners have any concerns? Seeing none, the procedural schedule announced by staff is adopted. Do the parties have discovery procedures for this case?
We do. We have agreed that discovery responses would be due within 8 business days of receipt of the request through August 17th, with objections made within 3 business days. After August 17th, once direct testimony has been filed, discovery responses would be due from all parties within 5 business days of receipt of the request, with objections made within 2 business days. And after after September 17th, discovery responses would be due from all parties within 3 business days, with objections made within 2 business days.
Thank you. Do any parties have any objections to the discovery procedures?
No objection.
No, Your
No
Honor.
objection.
Okay. And commissioners? Seeing none, the discovery procedures are adopted. If there are any disputes regarding discovery, please bring them to the Commission's attention as quickly as possible so we may resolve them. Pursuant to Order Number 88756, which is dated June 21st of this year, Discovery has already commenced for the staff and the Office of People's Counsel. Discovery will commence for all other parties to this matter immediately. We should also discuss the need at this point for public hearings. I understand that in the past we've had 2 public hearings for Washington Gas Light matters. Does any party have any objection to having 2 public hearings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
objection.
No.
Hearing no objections, I'll ask that the company work with staff counsel and the other parties to set these hearings up. Please also inform our executive secretary with the dates and locations for the 2 hearings. Are there any other matters that need to be addressed by the commission today by the parties or staff?
Staff has nothing further, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
None from the company, Your Honor.
Any matters from the bench? Thank you. Seeing none, this hearing has concluded.
Thank you.